Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to record a Panopto recording or upload a pre-recorded video to Panopto. And then I'm going to show you how to add or edit closed caption. First, start with a Canvas page. In the top right corner, go ahead and click on Edit. And in the content box, I have the insertion point. I'm going to go ahead and close this one. All right, so with the insertion point in the content box, I'm going to go ahead and click on the Panopto tool. If you don't have this already displayed, don't worry, you can just go ahead and click on the drop-down menu and then click on Panopto Recordings. And then you have three options. One is choosing the video that you already have, or you can upload the video. You can just drag and drop MP3 or MP4 file here, and it'll be uploaded. For this demonstration, I'm going to use record option, and then go ahead and click on the launch capture button here. So choose that. And then before you start recording, make sure that you have the proper multimedia devices connected. So go ahead and click on audio, and I see this a bar going up and down, so that's good. And I'm going to go to the video, and then I see myself there, so that's also good. But if I wanted to, I can add capture either my browser window or entire screen, but I'm not going to do that for this time. I'm going to just record myself. And okay, so that's my smart webcam that's trying to zoom in and out. So, and I'm going to go ahead and click on this record button here. So this is going to be my welcome message. Counting down, looking at the camera. Hello, my name is Yun Mo. I am your instructor for the class. In this video, I'm going to introduce myself as well as the course to you. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to just stop there. And it says over here, it's safe to close this browser window. For now, I'm going to just keep it on while it's getting processed. And then I'm going to update the title. So I'll say, welcome message from the instructor. And then here in the description, let's say, again, welcome to English 101. And other things that you can add more. And then also you can play the preview there. And I think that's good enough for now. So I'm going to go back to the Canvas page with the Panopto Recordings window open. And here's an important step that you need to click on the Insert button, which is the bottom right corner. So go ahead and click that. And then that inserts the video into the Canvas page. And one more important step is clicking on the Save button to save the page. Okay, so that's good. It says also it's automatically generated closed caption is added. So as of December 9th, 2025, all new Panopto recordings gets automatically generated closed caption automatically added. The ones created prior to that, you may need to do it manually. And that part I'll show you, as well as how to edit it. So anyway, let's go ahead and play it and see what we have for now. Hello, my name is Mo. I am your instructor for the class. In this video, I'm going to introduce myself as well as the course to you. Okay, so you may hear some echo. That is because of the recording setup. I'm basically recording two videos at the same time. But in real situation, the sound is perfectly fine. I just wanted to let you know of that. And in any event, I'm going to go ahead and click on the Panopto recordings to make sure that all the closed caption and other things are properly set up. All right, so here is the video, and I'm going to hover over it and then go ahead and click on this edit button. And in the edit window, I'm going to go ahead and click on the captions on the navigation bar there. And then each text box has a timestamp. So this one is a 0.1 second, and this one is 0.5 seconds. So in basic rule of thumb is that it is good to have a caption for every 5, 6, 7 seconds, but not more than that. Otherwise, the closed caption text can get too long for an easy read. All right, so here is my common issue. Oftentimes my name gets spelled incorrectly, so that I'm going to have to replace that. So I highlighted it and then backspace, and then I type the proper correct spelling. And so I'm just reading through, and then in this video I will say I'll put a comma after to introduce myself as well as the course to you. All right, so thank you. So I may change that to exclamation mark and so on. All right, so that's good. If you want to also, you can go to the audio description. So basically, this is for describing the scene for a visually impaired listener or the viewer. So you can say, I'm going to just go to the first second or so, and then here I will say Yoon Mo, the instructor, is sitting at his desk, or something like that. So basically explain the visual component or element to the viewer. So then that will be added eventually. And then to actually insert that audio description, just press the Enter key. So that gets added with the timestamp there. So of course, if you have some kind of a visual action going on, or you want to describe the visual component, you can go to that part in that time slide, and then you can enter the description there. Anyway, so you have the both corrected caption there and audio descriptions there. You need to make sure that you click on the apply button there so that it gets added to the video file.
Yoon Mo, the instructor, is sitting at his desk.
Hello, my name is Yoon Mo. I am your instructor. So I'm so pleased that my name is spelled correctly. All right, so let me go back to the edit mode. So to do so, I just go to the top right corner, click on the edit button, because I want at this time, I'm going to show you how to add AI generated closed caption for the folks, the videos that were produced prior to this month. So it is very easy. Go to the caption, assuming that you don't have anything here, then go click on the drop-down menu, import caption, and then it'll, instead of saying replace with automatic caption, it will say import automatic caption. So click that, and then you'll get this. And of course, you will still need to make sure that AI generated caption is correct. And then if not, you can just go in there and then change, make the changes. And of course, you want to go ahead and click on the apply button here to make sure that that is correct. that is saved, that is. So let me go back to my Canvas page to do a final inspection. And I want to make sure that I refresh the page and then go ahead and click on play.
Yunmo, the instructor, is sitting at his desk.
Hello, my name is Yunmo. I am your instructor for the class. In this video, I'm going to introduce myself as well as the course to you. Thank you. All right, that's good. So I would like to show the one more information, which is that we have a Canvas page that describes the Canvas Panopto use. So you can access this information from the faculty resource page, which we can access it from the navigation bar. It is right there. You can click that, and then instructor tools and resources button there, and then you have whole list of tools and resources about Zoom recording and all kinds of things, including the Panopto. Okay, well, thank you so much.